It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys, and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making country fried steak. And instead of the cube steak, we're going to just make it out of ground beef. I have divided out this is about 2 pounds of ground beef. I divided it up, rolled it up, and smashed it with my mallet thing. Try to get them as thin as I could. I used plastic wrap. Parchment paper works better, but we were out, so I used plastic wrap. For your seasoned flour, you're going to need about 1.5 cups of flour, seasoning salt, about 2 teaspoons. We're going to use this, and this already has pepper and garlic powder in it. We might need a little bit more, but if you don't have it with the pepper and the garlic powder in it, you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder or more to your taste. Then we're going to need 2 eggs beaten and 1 cup of milk. Okay, first I got me 2 dishes here. I'm going to add my milk and my eggs to one. See that? And we're going to stir that up real good. Okay, we got that all mixed up. Now we're going to do our seasoned flour. Put in our flour. And I'm going to put in the seasoned salt. And it has plenty of pepper in there, and I can smell the garlic powder, so we're not going to add none. But if you don't have that, add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I might add just a little bit more pepper. Okay. Okay, got that mixed up. Now we're going to start on our steaks. Okay, what we're going to do is, if I can get these up without falling apart, I'm going to dip it in our wet mixture. Yep, that one's falling apart. Let's try a different one. Okay, I've had to reshape mine a little bit. I got them too thin and they're falling apart, so reshaped them. They're still kind of, the meat is getting a little bit warm in here, so it's shake off the excess. We're going to try to dip this again. See how it goes. It'll be messy. Done okay. Shake off kind of the excess of it. I'm going to get a couple more of these done and we'll go start frying them. Okay, I got my oil hot. I'm going to put in the steaks. I'm going to fry these about 3 minutes on each side, 2 to 3 minutes until they're done. I'm going to put a lid over mine so the grease don't splash everywhere. Okay, we're going to give them a flip. I turn down my heat just a little bit. We'll cook them a few more minutes on this side. Okay, I'm going to make some gravy, some pepper gravy. I was going to make it in the skillet with after the steaks were done, but they got a little bit, the brown bits in the bottom got a little bit too dark. So we're just going to make some on the stove here. I've got about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I'm going to use the leftover flour that I used for the steaks. That's about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to start mixing this up. I'm going to cook this till just a little bit brown, you all can't see. It has like a nutty smell. And then I'm going to pour milk in. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the milk. About a cup or so. If it gets too thick, just add more. Just however thick you like it. Okay, it's starting to get a little thick. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. Okay, there it's thickening up again. This is about where I want it, so I'm going to turn off the stove. And this will get a little bit thicker as it cools too. So I'm going to try to take that off the stove for now. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. And this has that seasoning salt in it, so I don't want to put too much. There's some pepper. And then I'll taste it and see how it is. And we're about ready to eat. Here's the country fried steaks all done. Let's plate it up and give them a try. Here it is all plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay. Delicious.
It is delicious.
Got some mashed potatoes, made biscuits, corn, green beans, and homemade mashed potatoes. Keeper.
It's a keeper.
All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.